The school placement portal has officially been opened for BECE candidates to finally check the schools they were placed, and also for those who didn't get automatic placement to do self-placement. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you are going to check the schools you were placed, and also if you didn't get a school, how you are going to do self-placement. This is Great Filippo, and if this happens to be your first time here, please hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to like this video as well. Now let's get started. Okay, so we are just going to open our browser, and when it opens, we are going to search for CSSPS.gov.gh. So it's going to take you to this homepage, and when this homepage opens, we're going to click on check placement over here. Okay, so when this page opens, we are going to sign in using our index number and our date of birth. And for the index number, after typing it, you will add the year, which is 25. So let's assume your index number is 1. Then after typing your index number, you add 25 to it. Then we are going to move down here. Then we are going to select our date of birth. So let's assume my date of birth is 2010. Then after selecting your date of birth, you're going to just click on sign in. Okay, so after clicking on sign in, it will take you to this page from which you're going to see your profile. That consists of your name, your gender, your index number, the year of completion, your school, and others. So we are just going to click on placement information. So placement. Then you are going to see your selected schools over here. So what you're going to do is to just scroll down and scroll down again. Okay, so when you scroll down here, you are going to see the school you are automatically placed. So the placement information also consists of the candidate's name, the candidate's index number, the SHS you were placed, the program, the residence, that's boarding or day, the SHS district, and also the SHS region. So what you're going to do is just to click on the print placement slip. Then it will be downloaded. So you just print the enrollment form also, and it has been printed also. If you are not automatically placed, you just scroll up here, then you click on self placement. Since this candidate was automatically placed, you can't use this option. So if you are not automatically placed, you just follow the instructions and then select your preferred school. Before you leave, if you need a website for your school, for your business, or for yourself, send message to the email below. It is very affordable, so just send a mail. Distance is not a barrier. If you find this video helpful, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to like this video as well. Until we meet again.